In this video I'm going to show how to graph an exponential function by hand. The function I'm going to graph is 3 to the power of x. So we start by making a table of values. We start with a really small number, -2. We'll go all the way up to 3. So what you do is you take your x values here and you plug them in the exponent. So you put -2 in for the exponent 3 of 3. So 3 to the -2 power, and you put the result in the y column. So that is 0.11 repeating. When you put 3 to the -1 power, when you calculate that, it's 0.33 repeating. So you're just plugging in the x values here in for the exponent. 3 to the 0 power is 1. 3 to the 1 power is 3. 3 squared is 9. And 3 cubed is 27. Now you have your table filled out, and this column, these are your y values. So when you graph your x, y coordinate pairs, this on your graph is going to appear in the place -2.11 repeating. This will be at the point -1.33. This is at 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 9, and 3, 27. Okay, when we graph those points in the xy plane, -2, 1, that's a really close to the x-axis. -1, 0.33 repeating is about 1/3 of the way up. 1, 0, right there. 1, 1, 2, 3 is right there. 2, 9 is somewhere up here off the graph. And then 327 is way up there. So then we just connect the dots. We can stop right there because we can't go anywhere further off the graph, and these points here just get closer and closer to the x-axis. Let's do another one that's a fraction. Let's do 1/2 to the x power. And here let's start a little bit lower. Let's start at -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you just put in here now the x values get plugged in for the exponent. So this is 1/2 to the -3 power. And you can put that in your calculator to find out what the result is. And that goes in the column right here. That is 8. 1/2 to the -2 power is 4. 1/2 to the -1 power is 2. 1/2 to the 0 power is 1. 1/2 to the 1 power is 1/2, or 0.5. 1/2 squared is 0.25. And 1/2 cubed is 0.125. 1/2 cubed. Okay, so when we graph that on the graph, this is the xy coordinate point, -3, 8, -2, 4, -1, 2, 0.01, 1.5, 2.25, and 3.125. Okay, so we just graph these. -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's up here like that. -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. -2, -1, 2. 1, 0. 1.5. 2.25. Okay, now we just connect these dots. Notice when there's a fraction in the base of the exponential equation, the graph goes down. When there's a whole number in the base, the graph, like the last one we did, is going to go up. Also note that any exponential equation that just has one term and it's non-negative is going to have the y-intercept at 0, 1. And we can do another video on that later.